Hello guys, my name is Marika and in this video I will show you how to add links in your checkboxes. As you probably know, you can't add links in your checkboxes because it won't interpret the HTML like code and it will be added as a string. So just for an example, we will try to add a link in the regular checkbox from contact form 7 and see what will happen. To do that, we'll go back to the dashboard, contact form, and here is our contact form. We'll copy and paste this structure, but we'll delete these checkboxes and create a new one. We'll name it legal, and here we'll add some text and our link. Insert tag. What does happen? Oh, it moved. As you can see here, our codes were replaced by this string, but we'll let it as it is. Just add it here and save. Now we'll go back to the page where the form is, tutorial, and let's see what will happen. Here we go. The link is just a string, so it's not working. So here is what we have to do in order to create links and add them in our checkboxes. Okay guys, to be able to add links in our checkboxes, we will have to replace this checkbox with another field from contact form 7. To do that, we will go back to our contact form page and we will remove the checkbox, and instead of this field we will have to create acceptance. We will name it legal, and here we will add I consent to the conditions of the website. You can see them here, and here will be our link to the terms and conditions page. Terms and conditions. We will have to uncheck this because we want this checkbox to be required, and save. Let's refresh the page, and as you can see, it looks the same. It looks our checkbox field. Now I will complete the form, but it will return an error because there is another setting we have to do in order to make the acceptance field to work. But I want you to know this to recognize this issue if you will encounter it in the future. So let's complete the form. Let's just choose a file and send. As you can see, it doesn't allow me to hit the send button. Okay, if I check the box, everything is working good. But I don't want this icon to be near my cursor because I don't know what it means. It doesn't return any type of error. So to make this working, we will go back to the contact form settings in the additional settings tab, and here we will add acceptance as validation and we'll turn it on. Save, and let's complete again the form. As you can see now, we have the error message, so we check the box and everything is working good. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.